Why do most insurance agents fail in their first year? Obviously you are talking about life, health and annuity agents, as opposed to property and casualty agents. Based on that assumption, most people who go into that business are not cut out for it. They are not extroverts. They don't like doing the things necessary to successfully in that business, going door to door asking if you have a need for whatever product that he is selling that day, or making cold calls by telephone, or asking for referrals when making a sale. Speaking at meetings of all kinds. Working days and nights until you are established. Being creative in where you solicit, like camping out at the hospital's maternity ward to make appointments with new parents for their new responsibility, or hang out at your local law school, med school or dental school to get these young professionals started with high-value convertible term insurance and disability income. Most localities list recent home and condo sales. These people need mortgage cancellation insurance and disability income to protect their new home in case they die or become disabled and can't make the payments. It's not easy, nor is it for everybody. Most people who drop out realize that it's not for them, and so they quit. To build a book of business takes time. If the agent has obligations, it is difficult to get the income needed to survive in the early days. There can be a rather long lead time between writing a policy and getting paid. Some life companies will pay weekly or even daily. This would help if a large portion of your business is life insurance. If you're thinking of health insurance, check with your psychiatrist first. You will also need a large financial buffer. We all need a little mentoring and guidance. Rejections are very common in our industry. Despite this, these are 5 reasons why you should try being a financial advisor. There are many things to learn being in this industry. You learn to be responsible with clients. You get referrals if they appreciate your services. You learn to co-habituate with your fellow agents and teammates, where you can also learn some sales strategies from them. One basic sales story is, if I sold you a sack of cork today for PHP 20, will you buy it? The problem is, insurance does not manifest its value today. You must let your clients realize this, because they often forget why are they paying for things they'll be needing in 10, 20, 30 years. Therefore, if you were on a boat and it was sinking, won't the cork be of great value even when you're already in disaster but is not available to help you? You can't buy it in the price of your assets no matter how much money you have, because you're already trapped in a body of water. This is why there is a necessity for mentorship, because the leadership or management strategy of your boss is what can set you apart, if you follow them. Basic stories like the one above can be shared with different clients to realize themselves if they need what you can offer. Tendency for agents to fail on their first year is the lack of guidance from their mentors, which steers them away from their true goal. The mentorship process as a rookie is very detrimental, because you will be making it out into the world. To show what can set your branding apart as a person, you must learn all the time. Attend seminars. Attend your meetings. You will need a refresher every now and then. If ever they did have mentors, they probably weren't enough, or they probably did their job just for the money. We do our jobs to fulfill an advocacy. We, then, are able to inspire others to be able to alleviate being a burden in their family, or their family becoming a burden to them. So, you must be continuously inspired through different means. If now, we will crumble and fall as advisors because we let other non-believers get to us. Always believe in the power of our products, because in the end, who will be the ones to benefit from the sack of corks?